Hello guys, how are you all of you? I hope you are fine. Let me introduce myself. This is Bhavna Devani and today I am going to represent one of my favorite rhyme, Buckle My Shoe. We will do it with the action on the music and you will learn the numbers and nouns. So before going to start, we will do it without music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, let them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Now we will do it on the music. So kids, I hope you enjoyed the rhyme. See you soon in next video with different rhyme. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.